What? Oh. What's in the box? Today we are looking at the rear crossover pipe for Fiesta ST and Puma ST. We have a heat jacket, silicone hose, and some stainless steel Jubilee clips, some springs, and the crossover pipe. We're going to have a quick look at how the heat jacket fits onto the crossover pipe. They're really quite easy, so I'll show you quickly how to put them on. So first up, place the jacket over the pipe, wrap it round, and then it overlaps. Just start with one end, don't try and do all of it at once. Now, the tricky bit that people struggle with. You're going to want to crop in on here. Okay, so first thing, with your spring, you want to hook that over. So you see, just hook it over like that. Simple, yep. And then round to your next one, and stretch it out. And then again, exactly the same way, hook the end over first. Simple as that. No need to use any tools, there's no need to use any pliers or cutters or anything like that. It's literally a 2-second job. There you go, fully heat protected. Of course, if you struggle, we do full fitting in-house. If not, order yours now on 09Design.com.